Tonight, the FBI facing increased scrutiny over its handling of sexual abuse allegations against former USA Gymnastics doctor Larry Nassar. A new report from the Justice Department's Inspector General says agents failed to respond to claims from the victims, and they tried to cover up their mistakes. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze has the latest from Washington.
In a blistering new report, a government watchdog finds the FBI seriously mishandled sexual abuse claims against former U.S. gymnastics doctor Larry Nassar.
I've just signed your death warrant.
Nassar was sentenced to up to 175 years in prison in 2018 for molesting hundreds of gymnasts, including star Olympians like Michaela Mulroney and Aly Raisman.
I hope that the abuse will end with us. I hope that people can learn from what happened to us.
In its new report, the Justice Department Inspector General writes FBI agents failed to respond with the urgency that the allegations required and did not mitigate the ongoing threat posed by Nassar. The watchdog says the FBI first learned of the allegations in July 2015, but didn't alert authorities who could have taken action for more than a year, raising concerns that as many as 70 athletes were assaulted during that time. The report also finds FBI agents lied about their response and tried to cover up their mistakes once the controversy became public. Simone Biles, who identified herself as a survivor of Nassar's abuse, said in 2019 people in positions of power failed to protect the athletes.
You literally had one job and you couldn't protect us.
In a statement, the FBI says its response was inexcusable and appalling. Senate Judiciary Ranking Member John Cornyn of Texas now calling on FBI agents responsible for the dereliction of duty to be held accountable. The United States Olympic Committee also issued a statement thanking the DOJ Inspector General for conducting the investigation and adding it's taken extensive steps to try to fight sexual abuse. Elizabeth Schulze, ABC News, Washington.
USA Gymnastics still dealing with the fallout from this case. The organization is still in court with dozens of his survivors. The current president of the organization hopes a settlement can be reached by the end of the year.